Everybody, so I am back again trying to figure out why my Ford E350 van won't start, and I'm going to remove the IAT valve sensor. So let me show you where it's at. In my van, I'm inside the van, I'm on the passenger side. There's my transmission.
Here's the heart.
If you look, my socket is back there on the top bolt, and then there is the bottom bolt for it. And here, this right here is the part that I'm needing to replace. So I'm gonna take out the old one and put in this new one, and hopefully she'll fire back up. So let's see what happens. There's one bolt. Okay, got it loose, and it has, as you can see, ooh, that line right there is looking a little rough. I need to change that while I'm in here. See if we can get it to start first. But it looks like this will focus. Focus. There's a clip right here for the wiring, a wiring harness. So there we go. Got that clip undone. It's in there. There we go. I got it out. Now it looks like this. Looks like this. Just sits in there. All right. There's the old one. So now, let's put the new one in. And we can't forget the gasket. It's the old one. So let's wipe that off. Take the new one. We're gonna grab the new gasket. So I'm gonna try to put a bolt in there. Go back here. Feed the gasket around the bolt. And then trying to line it up. So let's try and start this bolt. My gasket's trying to move.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
So let's take it, straighten it back out, go down here, feed the other bolt through there. Okay, it touched. So now let's go back to the top, tighten that one up. Okay, we got it finger tight, so now we'll take our socket, put it on there, and just go ahead and snug it down. Not too tight. We're for sure not trying to break it. You just want it tight where it won't shake loose. And then we've got our connector. Take that so you can see it. There we go. Got it connected back into place. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's see if it starts. Well, that didn't work, so I guess we just got to keep going from there. If anybody has any ideas of what it could be, because my next step is going to be changing the fuel pump. So probably the fuel pump and the fuel filter. Even though I can smell gas, so I don't know if it's actually not getting fuel. It might not be getting fire, but it'll start. Sometimes it'll start and then it'll randomly just die. So it might not be getting any fuel, but it sounds like it's getting some. But if you've got any suggestions, please drop a comment down below. I'm trying to get my work van back up and running. So just leave a comment, like the video, subscribe. It helps me out tremendously, so I appreciate it. God bless. Have a wonderful day. The more you know, the more valuable you are.